Hello, you are watching Englaoshi TV Invention Report with me, Agustus Wanda. This is my village, Lau, Nalamsari, Jepara, Central Java, Indonesia. We have a small river in my village, and we try hard how to use the river for our life. That's why we think hard how to find simple things that we can use on the river. The ideas come from our old bicycles that we want to make it how to float on the waters. By using 4 jerry cans, we can make floating on the waters, and now we enjoy the activity on the river. Since now, the river become a favorite place for the children to play on the water. And these activities would hope that consciousness of the society to keep the river will raise up. They know that the river are very useful for our activities. That's all for my program. Agustus Wanda, Englaoshi TV reporting.